Hey guys, and welcome back to Nadira's kitchen. Here I am back with another video. I know it's been a while, but today we're going to be making a banana smoothie, and you only need 3 ingredients for this. So firstly, you'll need 1/3 a cup of Greek yogurt, but here I'm using natural yogurt because I don't have Greek. Then you'll need 1 chopped banana, and then a 1/4 cup of milk. These are the 3 ingredients, and that's it. This is the end of the video. This is how my smoothie turned out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what are the things I should try and make. Thanks so much for watching, and